Greetings to you, dear people. Regardless of your thoughts and race, we are going to talk to you about vinegar and its properties, which is widely known today and is 3,000 years old, which can help you in many diseases. The question is whether everyone can use vinegar and what diseases it is useful for treating, so stay with me. I have to tell you that vinegar has a cold nature and people who have a cold nature should consume it in the ways that I am telling you so that it is not harmful to them. 1. Fatty vinegar. It will eliminate your dandruff, itching and lice. Dissolve a spoonful of vinegar in a glass of water and apply it to your head in the bathroom or before the bathroom so that your problem is completely solved. 2. Vinegar for those who have problems with sinus congestion or mucus in the back of the throat. Just boil a spoonful of vinegar in water and then incense and let the congestion open, and this is also very effective for voice congestion. 3. Disturbance in smell. To restore your sense of smell, just pour a spoonful of olive oil in a glass of water and then incense, which will restore your sense of smell. 4. Throat or pharynx infection. Just pour a spoonful of vinegar into a glass of water, add a little salt and gargle for 1 minute in the morning, noon and night. This is an excellent solution to get rid of a throat infection and for people who have a cold. Very useful. 5. Vinegar has unique properties for the skin. It can cure people who have itchy skin for any reason, people who have eczema or psoriasis. You can apply vinegar topically to your skin. For skin fungus, if vinegar is mixed with henna, it will work. Has a better. 6. The benefits of vinegar for the heart and blood vessels. Vinegar is used to clean the heart and blood vessels. For high blood fat, you can use 3 glasses of water with natural apple vinegar a day, 1 spoonful of vinegar in each glass. 7. Vinegar can be used to remove infection in women. You can pour a glass of vinegar in a pan and let the person sit in the pan for 15 minutes. In this way, female infections will disappear. 8. Weight loss. Apple cider vinegar reduces appetite and increases body metabolism. Vinegar controls the accumulation of water in the body and intervenes in the digestion of starch. There are ways to use apple cider vinegar, which is difficult for many to use because of its taste. 1. The combination of vinegar and grape juice should be added in a ratio that tastes good to you. For example, mix 1 spoon of vinegar and 3 spoons of grape juice with water. You can also add pomegranate paste and consume it. 2. Ongbin vinegar composition, which was used in most diseases. You can dissolve a spoonful of vinegar, 2 spoonfuls of peppermint juice and a spoonful of honey in a glass of water and consume it at night before going to bed. It is effective for improving the quality of sleep, for aggressive people and for the liver and gallstones. Use ongbin with lettuce, it has a better effect on the liver and gallstones. Apart from these, it is also effective for digestion, good skin, and sexual problems. People who have fatty liver, one of the best medicines for them is anjabin vinegar, which they should take for more than a month and it has a good effect on them. 3. The combination of vinegar, olive oil and honey, which is widely known, removes blood thickening. Mix 1 spoon of vinegar, 2 spoons of olive oil and 2 spoons of honey and use it. Some people use it with bread. You can also use it normally. And around the lips is a wonderful combination. 4. Use as pickled garlic. Pickled garlic causes the destruction of brain tumors, lung chemotherapy, asthma, lung infections. It is necessary to use homemade and natural pickled garlic that has been fermented over time, which makes it a strong medicine for the lungs and for reduces joint pain. Who should not use apple cider vinegar alone and should combine it with the ingredients that we have presented to you. For those who have joint pain, using vinegar alone is not good for them. People who have nervous problems should not use vinegar alone. People who have Alzheimer's, the smell of vinegar also has an effect on their brain and is harmful, and they must use it in combination. People who have stomach problems should also use apple cider vinegar in combination. How to make apple cider vinegar? You can easily search on Google and use the natural vinegar you made yourself. I wish you good health. Thank you for being with me.